Welcome to JH. In this guide, I'll demonstrate how to sign out of specific devices on your Disney Plus account. Start by selecting your profile icon, then choose the Account option from the menu. Move down the page until you find the Manage Devices section and click on it. To disconnect a specific device, such as an Android phone, simply hit the Log Out button and confirm the action. Alternatively, you can select Log Out of all devices if you want to clear every session at once. Pressing Log Out will successfully remove that specific unit from your list. If your account isn't verified yet, the system will prompt you to send a one-time passcode. Just copy that code and paste it into the required field to proceed. I've already completed this step, so it isn't appearing for me right now. Thanks for watching. If this walkthrough was useful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more tutorials. See you in the next one.